welcome to Bhumim. Today I am delighted to introduce you our premium ELIZURE Kitchen. A perfect combination of luxury aesthetics, innovative design, intelligent functionality and superior craftsmanship. The first thing you will notice is the premium visual appeal of this ELIZURE kitchen. Every cabinet and surface is finished using ELIZURE engineered decorative laminates, carefully selected to create a luxurious and sophisticated appearance. The rich texture, elegant pattern and refined color combination give the kitchen a perfect premium character. These surfaces are not only beautiful but also engineered for everyday performance, making them ideal for modern living. A truly luxurious kitchen is one that works effortlessly every day. The deep drawer provides ample space for kitchen essentials. Dedicated organizers keep everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. One of the standout features of this ELIZURE kitchen is this beautifully designed crockery display unit. This space combines storage and presentation in a highly elegant manner. Integrated lighting enhances the visual appeal and creates a sophisticated display experience. This feature not only adds functionality but also introduces a touch of luxury that elevates the overall performance of the kitchen. The ELIZURE kitchen seamlessly integrates modern appliances to create a clean and sophisticated environment. The premium hob provides a spacious and efficient cooking zone, while the chimney ensures effective ventilation and a comfortable cooking experience. Carefully planned lighting further enhances both functionality and ambience, creating a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. The ELIZURE kitchen represents the perfect combination of innovation, functionality and designing. This is more than a kitchen. It is a statement of modern luxury and refined design. Visit Bhumim and experience ELIZURE kitchen for yourself.
Bhumim, crafting interiors, creating happiness.